visit.
He's a comfort to really all who come into contact with him.
There's a four-legged worker at the Sangamon County Courthouse.
Whenever he's needed, he's ready to do his job.
Meet Gibson.
Gibson here.
He works directly in the Sangamon County State's Attorney's Office as a courthouse facility dog.
When folks come into contact with our office, it's unfortunately because they've suffered through a very, very traumatic event. And then further contact with the justice system is often even more traumatic. And so Gibson has been a calming effect in the midst of what can be just a terrible storm in someone's life.
You see, Gibson is more than a cute face. He's placed here to help victims who are going through a rough time.
He has sat with victims' families on murder cases, and he sits in meetings when we're preparing for trials. He goes to the Child Advocacy Center. He goes to our specialty courts.
Diane Bell works closely with Gibson as one of his handlers and says dogs have a big influence on people who are under large amounts of stress.
It's very difficult for these people to come here and relive what they've been through. And when they see Gibson, there's just an immediate relaxing.
So for the past few years, this wet-nosed, big, furry dog full of love and comfort is helping anyone who walks through these doors.
Gibson has made a tremendous impact, I think far more than we ever anticipated. Not only with victims, but also just anybody he comes into contact with at the courthouse, whether it be staff of the State's Attorney's Office, other offices, law enforcement that comes in. Dogs just have a calming, therapeutic effect on people, which has really been a very impactful tool for our office.